and gentlemen, there she is, the extremely talented, stunning Yami Gautam. You give your time for that, Yami. You give your time. Take your time. All right then. I don't think I haven't got, I've ever got such a dramatic entry even in films. So thank you Ola, for doing this. Hello, Mr. Vikram.
Hello, hi, how are you? Good to see you.
A very good afternoon, Yami. Welcome. It's such an honor to have you here with us today. And I did mention, we've always loved you on screen, but in person, even more beautiful. Right, guys?
Absolutely.
They all agree. Nobody agreed. They're busy clicking. Can you see that? The phones are all out. Yeah. But Yami, before you entered, I just mentioned to them that you literally light up not only the silver screen, but every area, every arena that you step into. And we already got a glimpse of that. Is that what your mama gave you, or is that Ole? Ole evening. Everyone. Of course, I got it from my mama. Okay. But thank you so much for this warm welcome. Thank you for your kind words. Thank you, Vikram, for having me here. Thank you, Team Ole, and to each one of you who've taken out time from the busy schedules, battle traffic, and are here. We're going to keep it very brief. We're going to keep it real as much as possible. And for me, Ole stands for, it stood the test of times. It's been one of the most trusted brands over almost over 2 decades, if I'm not wrong. And when I got this opportunity to collaborate, I said, absolutely. I joined industry at a time where maybe the meaning and the perception and the idea of beauty was something else, and it's been ever evolving. I agree. And today we stand for owning up who you are and celebrating your skin at whatever age you are. There's nothing called this, and anything else which you feel, okay, yes, of course, beauty is soul deep and thick, logic and that kind of homework. I'll always, it's definitely more easier to rely. And I think today we're going to witness some of that also live. So I'm really eagerly waiting for that. Thank you for already opening your heart out to us, Yami. But if you had to sum up in one word, what does Ole personally mean to you? Or a line? Authentic. Fantastic. Can we have a huge round of applause on that note? And a huge round of applause for the ever-glowing and stunning Yami Gautam. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we head to the big moment, the big reveal. Requesting you both to kindly head towards the buzzer, please. May I take your mic? Yeah, yes, please. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for the grand reveal, the breakthrough product by Ole, which is in true sense phenomenal. On the count of 3, 2, 1, here we go. Here we go. Get ready to have a smooth and glowing skin. Always 7-in-1 that provides 7 signs of aging, powered by niacinamide, vitamin C, and collagen peptide. Fantastic. So can we all have a picture? Can we capture this moment, please? Request you to kindly step center stage, and a bit forward. Well, kindly do not rush and push, because the team will share pictures with you all. Be rest assured, high quality, high resolution pictures will be shared with you all, because in today's day and age, I know that is a criteria.
All right. Yummy? Yeah.
Now it's you.
देखिए आज की शाम ओले के नाम है जैसे टीम बोलेंगे I'll have to follow that. They are my director today. So if they say solo, it'll be solo. If they say without mic, it'll be without mic. क्या करें?
Without mic? Okay.
We'll do it without the mic.
Sure.
Should be fine. Let's take a few. Yeah.
Yes, please. Thank you so much, Yummy. Well, now that the product has been revealed, I would like to know from you, Yummy. You're always on the go, such hectic schedules. Now we age. There are different levels that we go through. There are different challenges that our skin goes through. What does and how do you relate with this product that's launched?
Now that you mentioned, I'm, yes, the kind of profession I'm in and just a young mother. When I see on
Advocate that product to whoever they reach out to, right? So, of course, I think what we cannot do is take a shortcut and not understand the right insights, which can then lead to, the wrong formulations going out from the House of Ole, which is a big no, right? So, of course, those insight mining and then the ingredient balancing to get the perfect product is what took us the time to deliver this fantastic innovation that we see today.
Well, we are all looking forward to it, but thank you so much, Vikram, and thank you so much, Yummy, for sharing your thoughts with us. Requesting both of you to kindly take your seat because we've got something interesting in store yet again.
Yes, I'm personally looking forward to it.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, now you got a glimpse of the grand reveal, and most of the times,
you are watching, listening to you with a smile. But in our chemistry class or physics and bio. So thank you for making it so interesting, so real, and so easy for any of us to understand, because you're right, these ingredients are something which are available to everybody. It's like in my kitchen, we have all the spices, the same spices which are there in every other household. Still the food tastes different. Someone is an amazing cook, and someone, okay, let's not call them bad, but okay, let's be polite. So I think if I'm not wrong, if I can draw a metaphor, I think that's how it is. It depends on the formulation and the balance, the correct balance of ingredients. So thank you so much for this really interesting session. I was really curious, especially the experiment. I absolutely loved it. It took me back to my chemistry class without any explosion. So thank you so much.
Super.
Thank you so much, Yummy, and David, request you to kindly take a seat.
Okay, I believe, Yummy, you're in the center and now I'm here. Oh, are you here? Okay, super.
All right, we now open the floor for questions. We'll have a mic passed in the audience. Oh, there we have a volunteer who's raised his hand up there. Can we pass the mic to the lady, please?
Hi, Yummy.
Hi.
So, as always, you look super pretty. And I want to check that you have a very busy schedule, shooting movies and doing all the motherly duties that you have to do. So, what's the one skincare product that you would recommend everybody?
It's not a surprise anymore. It is my Olay 7-in-1 skincare, and that's true, right? I mean, it's a personal choice, but given the kind of schedule we have, you have, I think today most of us have, and balancing it with personal life. Of course, I'm fortunate to have my mother who's really helping me achieve this. And at the same time, you want to take care of yourself. That is not being selfish. That is not being, giving yourself 5 extra minutes. That's something which everybody deserves.
Yeah.
Our skin deserves that love and nourishment. That's a part of our body. It's not just about your physical appearance. It's about the confidence it gives you, right?
Yeah.
The days where we feel, low, the days we feel really happy. But I'm sure, at the end of the day, this is something really personal, very important to every woman, every girl, right? You look at yourself, one of the first things you do, look at yourself in the mirror.
Yeah.
And so keeping all those aspects in mind, my schedule, sometimes the water is different, the air is different, the pollution level is different. And so I was always on the lookout for something which without spending too much time, gives me what I want. As I said, one of the key factors is definitely hydration, apart from other factors, and the fact that it's simple, it's not complicated. I know it looks really fancy, applying one thing after the other, but I'm not that person. It's not very practical for me. Need something I can trust is taking care of everything in one go, and I'm sorted. Which is why I recommend it to my sister Surili. She loves it. She's an even bigger skincare addict, and my mommy dear, who was already using, by the way, Olay. She's like, I have mine. You guys, girls are too late to the party. So it's good. And I think brand, I know I've covered some 3-4 questions, but I have a knack of doing it. But when it comes to, I think, building a brand is when you start talking about it with others, and the trust, right? That I'm happy to always see that bottle in your wardrobe or dressing or washroom, wherever it is. It's there, over and over again. So I think that's gold.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Sorry, girls, if I've taken any of the other questions.
No. We can at least I can completely resonate with your excitement about you. You sound like a person who's used it and, experienced it. And that's the excitement that's radiating through. So we're okay with that, Yami. Any other questions, please? Yes?
Hi, congratulations. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. That's a surprise.
Yeah. Just wanted to ask, there's something about anti-aging and it's about skincare also, but nowadays even technology is there, like where you can go under the knife and do lots of changes and things, What's your take on that particular thing? Like, in case if we're talking about beauty also, you're very beautiful, but कभी कोई थॉट आता है कि अगर चेंज करना हो तो कुछ चेंज करोगे, ऐसा है?
मुझे लगता है अंडर द नाइफ सिर्फ आलू और प्याज को होना चाहिए. इट्स नॉट फॉर स्किन.
What would you say, like, because these days, especially in our industry, in fact, like, हमारे बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में lots of लोग इस
आज का टाइम है जहाँ पर अगर कोई आपको बोले कि 2+2 22 है, तो आप बोल दो हाँ है. Because I'm giving you a very, very honest answer. I don't believe, of course, as I just mentioned, in any of these things, but I'm no one to preach anyone. I'm no one to give anyone an advice, especially when when you're addressing a general public. To my fans or to anyone who remotely also, who's been following my work or my journey, they would associate me with anything which is real, flawed, just being myself, and that is that would be my personal messaging. I don't want to preach anyone. जिसको जो खुशी दे, जिसको जो अच्छा लगे, but मुझे लगता है कि बहुत I'm a little spiritual that way. बहुत कितनी योनियाँ होती हैं, उसके बाद आपको एक इंसान का रूप मिलता है, आपको ये रूप मिलता है, एक इंसान जैसे बोलते हैं. तो must preserve it as much as we can, must nourish it as much as we can, must be as natural as possible, and it's fine. मतलब जब नानी एक होता था ना, नानी बोलती थी धूप में ये बाल सफ़ेद नहीं हुए हैं, तो वो एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट था, वो एक विजडम दर्शाता है, वो एक जर्नी दर्शाता है, जैसे माइलस्टोन्स बोलते हैं. ये बेबी लैंग्वेज है, बेबी माइलस्टोन्स, दीज आर ह्यूमन माइलस्टोन्स. सो वी मस्ट ओन इट अप, वी मस्ट be who what gives us most happiness. आप खुश रहेंगे, you'll always, I think, look nice. And that's my message.
Yeah, the message ki like inner beauty is also very important. As you spoke about spirituality, in fact, ऐसा है तो inner beauty is there, and any particular one thing, very simple tips that you normally day to day you follow actually.
Thank you.
I'm a very family person. I'm someone who's when I'm not working, I love going back in my family. I'm known in the industry for this. I think when I'm not there at any parties or any get-togethers for me, once the work is done, इसके बाद भी एक और meeting में जाना है, कल एक और lip test है और फिर वापस घर. तो और कोई काम नहीं है. That gives me the most happiness. वो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी देती है. बहुत simplicity मुझे लगता है. And they're very simple things that make me happy. Family खुश है तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. And you're right. I think आज के टाइम में स्पेशली बहुत ज़रूरी है to once again go back to our basic values, which is जो हमें शायद बहुत बचपन में सिखाते थे. Be kind to one another, be polite to one another. थोड़ा गुस्सा भी अगर किसी पे आने लगता है, 2 सेकंड सोच लो और शायद खुद से पूछो कि अवॉइड कर सकते हैं क्या, कुछ प्यार से अगर इस चीज़ को सॉर्ट आउट कर सकते हैं. Why to try and avoid stress? That's another thing. So that's what I like to do.
I think very well put, Yami. Can we have any other questions? Okay.
Hi, this is Alice Karapita. My question's for David. I just wanted to know, when you come up with a product like this one, for the Indian skin tone and Indian climate, what are the kind of challenges that you face?
Yeah, thank you for that question. It's a very valid question because India is a huge country and there's all kinds of climates and it's extremely diverse as well. We think that it's probably occupying the full range of skin tones, every Fitzpatrick classification. So we knew, first of all, by talking with Indian consumers, that they could pinpoint for us the kind of formulation, the exact feel of the product that they wanted. And it wasn't the conventional feel. They wanted something that was lightweight, even in what was considered a traditional facial moisturizer. It couldn't be a heavy cream. So we had to come up with something quite unique, which was a gel that's extremely absorbent and lightweight, and yet delivers that potency as well. It took a little bit of doing and fine-tuning and going back to the consumer before we could identify exactly the right feel along with the right formulation.
Thank you.
Sure.
Any other questions?
I think I answered 4, 5, 6.
Yes. Anybody else? All right, should we have a photo opportunity then?
Media से डरते हैं. Nice ही हो रहा है.
Request you to take center stage, Yami. Again. Can we have, should we?
गाइस आगे मत जाओ और बड़ा ग्रुप है. Everyone look here.
On behalf of Olay, I would say a big thank you to Yami, a heartfelt thank you for taking time out of a busy schedule and gracing this occasion with her presence. Can we once again have a huge round of applause for the extremely stunning and ever-glowing Yami Gautam one last time, everybody. Come on now. Thank you to the PNG team for bringing this. Thank you so much, my wonderful audience out here, for your energy, your enthusiasm. Well, get ready for the next thing, which is the content creation session.
Thank you.
Please request you all to engage and immerse yourselves in the stations that are the experience zones that are created. Have some refreshments, recharge.